Hey everyone, raw code here. I just want to take a minute to show off a couple of the latest pull requests that have been merged into Kubernetes master. Two pull requests that have been a long time coming and solve some really common problems that you'll have when working with Kubectl on the command line. So first of all, what I'm going to do is take a look at this really simple deployment I have here. It's deploying 5 replicas running Apache, and we're going to apply that to our cluster. We do a watch and just wait for those to become running. Almost there. A very common thing that you're going to have to do is get the logs from one of your containers. Now to date we do that with -logs, and you guess which one you think might have the logs that you're actually looking for. And I'm assuming at some point you may have tried to do this. So using the label selector to try and fetch the logs from multiple pods where the app equals HTTPD and follow them along at the same time. And that doesn't work. We can't run both of these together. And that was until a couple of days ago. So if we use Kubectl master, which I've built from source, run logs, use the label selector and follow, I can now follow the live logs from all of the pods in that deployment. And that is awesome. Great work to the people that worked on that. The other thing that I want to show off now is Kustomize, which is now baked into Kubectl as well. So if I take a look at my tree here, you can see I have a base and a prod directory. And instead of base, we've got a deployment.yaml and a customization.yaml. Inside prod, we have just a customization.yaml. If we take a quick look at base and our deployment, it's deploying Nginx. Nothing fancy there. There's no namespace specified in the metadata. And if we take a look at our customization.yaml, you can see that we are targeting that deployment.yaml, only this time we're going to add a couple of labels, and we're going to enforce a namespace. So if I do Kubectl master, apply -k, and specify the base directory, the -k means that we want to deploy a customization directory or a customized directory. Now the namespace doesn't exist, it's alright, we can quickly create that. And now we can apply again and we get our deployment. So if I pull out the deployments, let's speak in Kubernetes, we can see my app there. So although the namespace wasn't specified in the manifest itself, it is applied through Kustomize. And if we do some content negotiation on a disk, we will also see our labels have been applied to. One more example of this is now I can run apply -k on prod, which is going to fail because of the namespace again. Run that again, and now my deployment using the exact same manifest is in a production namespace. So that's it for this episode. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy these new features. Thank you to everyone that's built them, merged them, and contributed in some way. These are awesome, and I can't wait to use these in all my future scripts. Thanks.